The E10 series Shinkansen, scheduled for launch in Japan in 2030, represents the next evolutionary leap in the nation's long and storied tradition of high-speed rail innovation, blending advanced engineering, sustainable energy systems, and unmatched passenger comfort into a single futuristic transportation marvel that is set to redefine what travelers around the world expect from modern rail travel. As Japan continues to push the boundaries of railway excellence, the E10 series stands as a symbol of progress, future readiness, and engineering mastery, featuring a sleek aerodynamic profile designed to reduce drag, improve speed, and create a quieter, more environmentally efficient high-speed journey. This next-generation train carries forward the Shinkansen legacy that began in 1964, but now elevates it into an era where technological sophistication, eco-friendliness, and rider experience are equally important. The exterior of the E10 series highlights a refined white and blue livery that maintains the iconic Shinkansen identity while incorporating modern design cues, enhanced LED lighting, smoother panel curvature, and advanced nose shaping inspired by fluid dynamics research. These features significantly reduce wind resistance in tunnels and contribute to greater stability at high speeds, allowing the E10 to travel more smoothly, with less vibration, and with improved energy efficiency, making it one of the quietest trains ever produced in Japan. Inside, the train's interior showcases a complete rethinking of what a high-speed rail environment can be, offering passengers a sense of openness, luxury, and digital connectivity that rivals even the most premium airline cabins. Large panoramic windows, ambient lighting, upgraded seating ergonomics, noise reduction technologies, and more spacious aisles are all designed to deliver a calm and comfortable travel experience, while the introduction of smart cabin systems, such as app-controlled seat features, wireless charging pads, intelligent climate control, and seamless onboard Wi-Fi, ensures that every journey feels intuitive and effortless. Sustainability is one of the core focuses of the E10 series, as Japan continues its mission to reduce emissions and embrace greener transport systems by 2030 and beyond. The E10 is equipped with next-generation energy-efficient motors, lightweight composite materials, and regenerative braking systems that feed power back into the grid, significantly reducing the train's environmental footprint. Additionally, new sound-absorbing materials, improved aerodynamic shaping, and refined bogie designs work together to minimize noise pollution, both inside and outside the train, allowing passengers to enjoy a quieter ride and reducing the impact on neighborhoods located near Shinkansen tracks. Operational performance has also been greatly enhanced, as the E10 series is designed to maintain extremely high reliability even under challenging conditions such as heavy rain, wind, or snow, an essential requirement in Japan's diverse climate. Engineers have incorporated advanced sensors, AI-based monitoring systems, predictive maintenance programs, and real-time data optimization features that allow the train to adjust its performance, balance energy usage, and ensure safety with unprecedented precision. The onboard safety systems build on Japan's flawless Shinkansen safety record, which has remained accident-free for decades, and integrate new monitoring tools, reinforced body structures, and upgraded emergency response systems that ensure passengers and crew are protected in every scenario. The passenger cabins themselves are separated into multiple zones, including premium luxury sections, standard seating, family-friendly areas, and accessibility dedicated spaces designed for passengers with disabilities, making the E10 series one of the most inclusive trains ever produced. Travelers can enjoy features such as reclining memory foam seats, silent electronic window shades, USB-C charging, fold-out digital tables for work, and upgraded restrooms featuring touchless systems and enhanced hygiene technology. The introduction of new luggage systems, including overhead smart compartments and side-wall luggage spaces, helps maximize cabin organization and safety, ensuring that bags stay secure even at high speeds. The E10's interior color palette, lighting temperature, and materials were selected to create a calm and soothing environment inspired by Japanese aesthetics, blending minimalism with cutting-edge functionality. Beyond its physical features, the E10 series carries enormous cultural and symbolic weight, representing Japan's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and global leadership in train technology as the world enters a new era of environmentally conscious transportation. As high-speed rail becomes more essential for reducing air travel emissions, trains like the E10 series are expected to influence global rail design standards, serving as benchmarks for countries developing their own advanced rail systems. Additionally, The E10 will support Japan's ongoing efforts to expand economic connectivity between major cities, reduce travel time, stimulate regional development, and provide millions of passengers with faster access to business hubs, cultural destinations, and tourist attractions across the country. The train is also expected to boost Japan's international reputation as a pioneer in high-speed rail, encouraging technological partnerships, export opportunities, and international cooperative projects involving Shinkansen-style infrastructure. During development, the E10 series underwent extensive wind tunnel testing, vibration analysis, structural assessments, AI-assisted simulations, and prototype trial runs designed to ensure maximum performance and durability. Engineers worked closely with universities, research institutes, and aerodynamics specialists to refine every component of the train, from the curvature of the front nose to the optimal arrangement of mechanical systems beneath the floor. The manufacturing process of the E10 involves a blend of robotic precision and skilled craftsmanship, with factories using laser-guided welding, automated assembly systems, advanced composite molding, and high-efficiency material production methods to guarantee quality and consistency across every unit. As the E10 moves closer to its 2030 launch date, anticipation continues to grow among railway enthusiasts, commuters, industry experts, and technology fans who view this train as the next big step in the evolution of global transportation. Its combination of modern aesthetics, unmatched engineering quality, environmental responsibility, and passenger-focused innovation positions it as one of the most advanced trains ever produced, promising a high-speed travel experience that is smoother, quieter, cleaner, and more enjoyable than anything Japan has created before. In every respect, from design and performance to comfort and sustainability, the E10 series Shinkansen stands ready to shape the future of Japanese rail travel and redefine the global standard for next-generation high-speed trains.